Today I'm going to be doing a video on microneedling and how it's benefited my face. So that's why I'm looking all barefaced, tan neck, jumper on, not cute. Kind of feels like I'm just looking really rank in all my videos, but so probably about maybe like 3 years ago or so, I burnt my face like from here just straight down to here at work on an oven, and I was obviously like really upset. It scarred my face quite badly, and I was scrolling through Instagram one evening and I saw an advert for it was just like a company that had a before and after of someone with like acne scarring and the after, and I sort of thought, oh, that could be what could help me fix my face. So I went ahead and looked on their website, and I was at uni still and their needles were quite expensive, so I just sort of looked at what they were using, and I'll write in the description the length of the needles on this, because it was all sort of like a specific size that I bought for what I wanted, and this company had everything on their website, and I sort of took their information and just used it then to go ahead and buy my own stuff. I was going to purchase their oil they had because I felt like that was all part of the beneficial side of it, but I never actually got around to it. I just bought the needle and thought I'd see how it went. So yeah, I mean, I'll attach in now next a picture of my before, so when it first happened, 4 days after, and then pretty much after that my skin is as it is now, so you'll be able to see that now. So I'm just sat editing looking rank, but I meant to say that my skin was like that for 4 days. I had to go to the hospital to get my where it had burnt me checked, and then obviously between then and, so that was pretty much like late November I burnt my face, then early January I went away for a month on holiday, and that was to Florida, so it was nice and hot. So the doctors just recommended using like a super high facial SPF, which is, I just got like a 80 Neutrogena stick that I used to cover it in, and I let it heal that way. And then when I got back in January, that's when I started to look into the microneedling and how I found out about it, just to clear it up a bit. So I had let it fully heal as much as I felt it was ready to have something done to it before I started doing my microneedling, just to put that in. Not that I'm a medical professional, so obviously don't listen to my thing if you want to seek medical advice first, but I just felt like this was the best option for me to get my skin back to how it was. And then yeah, so I never actually ended up buying their ointment. I did just stick with Aquaphor, so I'll attach that in the link below. So it's like a Vaseline textured thing. It's from America, you can't actually get it here, but it's amazing. It's just got loads of essential oils in, all that kind of thing. So I used to microneedle my face and then like smother, I'd only ever do this side, smother this side in Aquaphor and then just sleep and go to bed, and I did that for 3 weeks and it cleared my whole face. I didn't have any scarring left, nothing. Like before, makeup wouldn't sit on the scar, it sort of would go either side of, so my contouring looked really ugly, everything just looked horrible. And yeah, so I thought I would do like a quick demo maybe type thing of what I did just to clear my scarring, and I've been meaning to get back into microneedling for ages, so I'm going to try and do my whole face unnumbed, because that's how I did it before. It's just a case of getting through the initial pain and making it bleed, and then I'm gonna do like a mini facial afterwards. So if you're interested in how I sorted my face out, then please keep watching. Okay, so I've brought you in, let's see if I can bring you in a bit more, and you can sort of see this was the side that I had it on, but this is my skin now, and I always sanitize this with IPA, and then as before, I would just clean my face. So today I've just gone in with this little Emma Hardy morning cleansing balm. It's gorgeous though. It was like part of a Christmas advent calendar from M&S that I've never used. So I'm just going to get my mirror. I'm a bit nervous to do this on camera, but this is what we're doing. And oh yeah, that feels fine. So then I would just go like so. Oh, it's not as bad as I remember, but it does take your breath away. And you can't really see, but obviously it brings redness up. I've got a mirror here just so I can get an idea. And then you just sort of go every direction. This is how I would have done it, where my scar was. And then I used to pull my skin tight. It's like really, and then get it until it would bleed, because that's what you want really, is for it to bring blood to the surface. You don't have to because it's still doing something, but I'd spent loads of time researching it and looking into it, and I just wanted the quickest effect, and 3 weeks, I mean, you can't really complain. So I'm just gonna go in, and then you can see the blood. It's just like memories. For facial purposes, to try and combat anti-aging, and so I'm not as focused on getting it to bleed like this. I'm just looking for puncturing the skin, sort of. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my laughter lines. Wish me luck. Oh, ha! See, I can hear it puncturing the skin, and I don't think there's any chance I can get it to bleed, because that's quite painful. So I've successfully done my face. I've focused on obviously this part here where the scar used to be. Ow. My laughter lines, like smile lines, and forehead. To be fair, I'm like combating the anti-aging that might be coming at some point, so that's the idea. So now that I've done that, I would usually have just absolutely masked myself in Aquaphor back in the day, but now I'm choosing to go in with this vitamin C mask. So this is a new mask by Garnier. It's a glow shot of vitamin C, and I actually had bought it after watching Trini, the Queen. She'd not covered this, she just said she loves vitamin C. I'm just trying to work out how to do it now. And that it's a really good thing to have in your skincare routine. So I saw these and I thought, oh my gosh, this would be so good to have. And then, this is meant to crack somehow. Oh wow! Okay, so then I'm just squeezing it up into the sheet mask. It's quite a lot. Oh, and then I can, I think, just go this way. So then I saw Alexandra, the beauty editor of Glamour. She was actually using this in her, you were saying that it was a new product she was keen on. And I was like, oh, that's exciting. And so she just said, like, it's really good because as soon as you break it into the pack, it's active, so it works better. There was something about it, so I was all on board for that. So I'm just going to break the mask out. Getting rid of... Ooh, baby. That is covered. Trying not to drip that everywhere. So then I thought this would be the dream combo. Sorry, let me just get a towel. It would be microneedling, then doing this, and then on top, one sec, let me get this on, doing this electro thing that I will show you in a second. These feel so much nicer, the quality, than their other sheet masks. Not that I don't love those as well, but these just feel a lot softer. One day I will get round to microneedling around my eyes, but that day is not coming anytime soon. Yeah. So that is me on with the mask. Let's move that a bit that way. Okay, Miss Pretty. Hey boys. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with my Nu Skin Galvanic Spa 2, and I'm just trying if the website would work to sort of see what it says so that I can give you a better idea of what I'm doing, because honey, I ain't even sure myself. Rock Edition Nu Skin Galvanic Spa, a program instrument with patented self-adjusting currents and interchangeable conductors for the face, scalp and body, a larger, brighter display, intuitive usability and enhanced ergonomics to make an easy, effective at-home spa treatment. Kisses. So I've already gone ahead and done my left side, and there's 5 settings, so I'm going to go ahead and click to number 5 for 2 minutes. You've usually got to have a bit of something on the back of your hand, and then it starts. So I'm going to just rub it like so, slowly. My mum said I was going too quick. And just gonna go in the contour of my cheek, because I saw those facials up in London and they use something similar to this and contour people's faces, so yeah, that's what I'm looking to do. I've just done my other cheek, and I thought, you know, while I'm here, I'm going to go ahead and do my jawline. We can all pray something can be salvaged. So I'm still on number 5. Put my fingers on the back and let's go, honey. So after several minutes of using my Galvanic Spa, I'm going to take off my sheet, and I would say actually a lot of it seems to have gone in. It feels a lot drier than when I started, so feels a bit sticky. Seems to be nicely sunken in. I'm just going to take a closer look at my face. One sec. Oh wow. So I've just got hair that's stuck. Everything seems to, although obviously it is quite red, I haven't got any of the little puncture marks anymore. It all seems pretty calm. Yeah, so I was thinking, it's like 6 o'clock now. I'm gonna just carry on doing this with what's left on my face, just sort of running it around my face overall to push more of the product in, and then I'm gonna check back in the morning before I go out just to show you what my face looks like, because I think it's good to show that this is more of an evening thing and your face will like calm down before the morning. You don't have to worry or think that your face is sort of like ruined for 2 or 3 days, like redness wise. You can't go out of the house. So yeah, I will check back in the morning and show you the final results. Ooh, my face feels tight. So I thought I'd come outside just because it's a really nice day, just to show you what my skin looks like today after my microneedling mini facial yesterday. Plus I'm just getting Dave inside, Daisy my dog. But yeah, my skin's a little bit red right now just because I just cleansed and my moisturiser went on a bit stingy, but other than that it looks nice and plump and nourished, I guess. So yeah, I'll keep coming back with updates, I reckon, in the next couple videos, and I'm going to try to do it once or twice a week. And yeah, so thank you for watching.